Are you ready for Freddy to come? No, you're not, but you are ready for the cringe to come. So welcome guys to a third video of this cringy stuff. We're returning to the cringe. Now, that McDonald's was good, but after that, we like a nice daily dose of cringe. That's what we do on this channel. Cringe and all that stuff. And mostly burping cringe and stomach cringe. So, let's do it. I just don't know. But, yeah, we're watching it. And today, I think you're ready for another dose of cringe. I had a break for 2 days, and I'm back. So let's do this. Let's return to the cringe. Oh, I hate my life. I just hate my life. But I do like my shirt, though. It's pretty good. So, I'm going to have to sign in on my Xbox, and then we can go on YouTube, and we can watch some daily dose of cringe. Going on YouTube. Wrong account. I did the wrong account. I gotta do Wolf Night Moon 19. That's my sister's account. She doesn't even use it anymore. Oh yeah, I do. YouTube. So let's just do it and, you know, cringe. That's what we do in this channel. Cringe. Just cringe. My first video was cringe. All it was is just me swimming. And guess what, guys? I have to wait. And yeah, I have to wait till the remote detects on my TV. I hate you. I hate you. My TV actually crashed yesterday. I don't know why. The TV's even crashed. I don't know. The TV has an error. So sometimes after some kind of video, after it's playing, it just crashes and dies, and it's like taking millions of hours to turn back on. And yeah, that's when I have to unplug almost everything in my room. LED lights, computer, TV, Xbox, everything in my room. Even unplug my my sister batteries to give her coma. She's in a coma right now. And it also turns off my bed. Turns off my fan, turns off my dresser, turns off my door, turns off everything. Oh, looks like we're done. So let's do this. What is this? Every Bonnie in that show? Okay. Anyway, let's just watch some cringe. Well, not cringe. Just cringe stomach growl videos. Siren's stomach. Let's continue. Now, you know, myself, I hate vor. And this next video, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna scream. Ha! What is that video? Nora's vor. Vor warning. Nora Vor's SL. FT. Area 99 stomach growl. Read description. Dude, look at this. This is actually vor. What is this? It's 4 minutes of freaking torture and vor. You know, I hate vor. I just really hate vor. Vor is the worst thing that can come to YouTube. Why is it real? What is vor? Someday, a YouTube channel, someday make a video about what is vor. So I just don't know what vor is. Why is vor even real? It doesn't make sense. I don't know why vor is real. It's just real. And I really hate it. got myself a drink, which is pretty much Coca-Cola. Not sponsored, by the way. Coca-Cola. You will never be sponsored on my channel, which no one will ever sponsor me. I'm just a dumb, stupid, idiot 9-year-old making stupid videos of cringe. Anyway, let's watch this hellish video of Nora Boars. And yeah, just remember, this video is made by Siren Stomach, the best YouTuber in the world. No, it's not the best YouTuber in the world. It's the worst YouTuber in the world. Hey, how much subscribers does she have? 752 subscribers. Why? I just don't know. Why? I don't know why people would want to see this person and watch those cringy stomach growl videos. He only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only has 7 videos, and you're gonna like him. You're gonna like this person's channel, and then you're gonna subscribe to her and do all that stuff. Anyway, we are going to watch Nora's Boar. Look at Nora. She actually looks like she wants to die. Anyway, let's watch this and see how cringy it is. Oh, look. There's a warning. Warning! The following video contains loud hunger sounds plus vor. Oh my god! Not vor! This is gonna be so creepy. Oh my god. Get ready. There's gonna be lots of jump scare sounds in this. There's gonna be lots of jump scares. Oh, you guys, there's a jump scare right at the beginning. If you are sensitive to this type of content or feel uncomfortable, please click off. Watch at your own risk. Okay. What is this? What is this girl? It looks like she actually wants to die. Haha, I still can't believe you had explosive diarrhea all night. I could even smell it from... What? Explosive diarrhea? Why do you have explosive diarrhea, dude? The frick, Nora? Did you eat too much cheeseburgers? How are your teeth not yellow, dude? You ate way too much cheeseburgers. You had explosive diarrhea. What the hell? Oh, she's laughing. Oh my god. Outside! Smell it from outside? Oh my god. What, Nora? She looks like she actually wants to die. She's like, oh my god, why are you talking about my explosive diarrhea? Oh my god, I will grab a knife from the kitchen and I will stab you right in the face. And this weird Smurf girl saying, geez, didn't know you could get so offended. Offended? No, it's offended. I'm so stupid. Anyway, let's continue. Where? She actually looks like she's burping. Where? She actually looks like she wants to die. And she's saying, in the blue Smurf saying, God, if it make you feel any better, I can invite my friend over and you can come and you can vor him. Where? Wait. What are you saying? What are you doing? Oh no. You have a smirk? You think the idea of voring your friend? Why? Trypophobia warning, by the way. What? Just look at her. She actually, as is the face of a person who is deciding to vor someone. She's like, oh my god, I swear. You have the best ideas in the world. Oh my god, that's the best idea in the world. Oh, I'm gonna go, vor my friend right now. Oh, look at her. She's sleeping on the couch. Oh, the friend's here. What's gonna happen? Is the friend gonna get, vored? Is he gonna get eaten? He's gonna poop on the toilet? Just the friend pooping on the toilet. And Nora comes out of nowhere, vores him, vores her, whatever. Oh, Will Snookins! What the frick? What is Will Snookins? What? He actually looks like a red man. Look at this guy. What are you? Are you some kind of Dorito? You look like someone that can... No. It's the Kool-Aid Man. The Kool-Aid Man's real. He's in Gotcha. Oh, shit. I wanted to tell me trouble. I'm sorry, guys. Going through this video. I have to restart this all over again. It's alright. I'm just gonna have to wait. Push a move. Banana. Okay, we're back. It's wonderful to see you, widow schnookins. Oh my god, I want to die. I want to die too. Yeah, me too. I want to die. Oh, please, the pleasure is all mine. I'm glad I could come today. I've been waiting to what? To happen. Meet this, Nora, friend of yours for a long time. Well, lucky for you, she's right next to you. You what? What? Why? Can there please not be any stomach growl sounds? I just want a video that doesn't have stomach growl sounds. That would be my pleasure. If you can make a video. No stomach growl sounds. Who's it coming from? Nora. Of course. This video is all about you, Nora. All about you. Of course. Of course it's all about you. Oh my god. Of course your stomach has to growl, you shit bitch. That's stupid. Why? Where? She is actually crying because her stomach growled. What the heck? What? By the way, I said a bad word. Yeah, this video is not for kids. Not anymore. This video is not for kids. This is like the first free word channels video and the second one because I said cuss words. So that's bad. I just want to die. She's saying, so sorry. I'm so hungry. Anyway. It's okay. It actually sounded quite nice and soothing. What? Did you just say that? No. You know what the sound sounds like? The sound right here. This is the sound you like. Guess what? Little Snookins, this is her favorite sound. That is her favorite sound. Why? Why is that her favorite sound? Why? It's not soothing. It's not cool. It's stupid and disgusting. It looks like you're trying to poop. And she says, agree. I just want to die right now. Stop! You're making me blush even more. Look at her. She's actually a crybaby. She's crying all because her stomach growled. What? You think that there's a monster inside your ass? Okay, this video is not for kids. I'm actually cussing. Anyway. Don't demonetize me. Don't demonetize me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I forgot I was recording a video. I actually forgot. It's alright. So, forget about it. This video is not for kids. If you're a kid and you're still watching, leave. Now. You're not gonna leave? You're not gonna leave. I'm snapping your neck. There. Snapped all the kids' necks. Can't be watching this video. I'm cussing all the time. That can't be good. Cannot be good. Not at all. Okay, she's going to the kitchen. Ugh, that was so embarrassing. Oh my god, that was so embarrassing. Oh my gosh. That was the most embarrassing thing in the world. If that was so embarrassing, I'm gonna die. Oh, you're checking the fridge. Where are you gonna check? Yes! We're fully stocked. Time to empty this fridge. Oh my god! Was that the bite of 87? Where? I ate too much. Oh my god! Where? Her stomach actually looks like it wants to die. He's like, oh my god, why am I eating real stomach? I should fucking die. I said a cuss word again. You know what? Never for kids. My channel's not for kids anymore. It's not for kids anymore. You know what? How about I just restart my video? I do that. No. I'm doing so good on this video. I'm going to continue. But I don't care if I cuss. It's alright. But you guys, kids watching this, leave now. If you don't leave, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you actually doing? Are you a child? Are you coming to watch my video? No, you can't watch my video. Fine. Just fine. Watch my video. Get in trouble by your parents. I don't care anymore. I'm gonna get in trouble by my parents too. Of course. I hate you. I hate you. I'm gonna try not to say any more cuss words, because if I do, you already know this video is not for kids. You already know it. If I say a cuss word, it's alright. It's alright. Because this video is not for kids. My videos were never for kids. Never. Where? She actually looks like she wants to die. And she's saying, my stomach hurts. Oh my god. My stomach hurts so much. Oh my god. My stomach hurts a lot. I think I could just kill myself right now because my stomach just hurts right now. Oh, little Snookins is coming. Oh my gosh, is your stomach growling? Oh my god. Wait, that was the wrong voice. Oh my god, is your stomach growling? I need to listen. I just need to listen. Yeah, I need to listen. Can I listen? I swear. If she's, what do you want, kid? I'm not a kid. I'm a grown man. That's definitely what William Afton says when he gets spring locked. Just stop. Are you okay, Nora? No, I'm not okay. I have crippling depression. It's fine, kid. At best, you leave me alone. Where? Where are little Snookins? He actually looks like he wants to die. Oh. What is? Look at this. What is this? No, no. Look at Nora's face. She's like, what are you gonna say? Just say something, please. Where's your mouth? Show your mouth. I hate this camera. Show the mouth. It's like she's wearing a face mask. Anyway, there's her mouth. She's like, what are you doing? What are you gonna do? And guess what she said? Can I just listen to your stomach? Please! I want to listen to your stomach. Oh my gosh. If you don't let me listen to your stomach, I will kill you. My gosh. I hate it. Well, Snickers is the worst character in the world. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. I'm losing my old grown man voice. Alright, you can whistle. Oh my gosh. You can whistle to my stomach. It's alright. Why are you gonna let little Snookins listen to your stomach? It's not alright. You're gonna die. You're gonna die someday. Yippee! Yeah! Listen to your stomach! Oh my gosh! No. 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 Why? What is going on? Look at it! What is going on? What is this? What? Where? She's actually blushing. No, just stop. Just stop. I hate this. What is this? What is this? She looks so peaceful. I don't want to do anything to her. What are you going to do? Bore her? I just went to the other video. There. I gotta restart this all over again. I need my life. Okay. Where? She actually looks like she wants to die. Where? Oh no, it's just doing her stomach. I forgot my stomach was stopped. What are you gonna do? Bore her? It's not gonna help. What are you gonna do? Bore her again? Maybe if I bore him, it will help. It won't help. It'll make everything worse. How can you stuff a human body in your stomach? It doesn't make sense. What are you gonna do? Eat her? Here goes nothing. Oh my gosh. Oh great. You just ate that person. That was so good. Oh my gosh, that tastes so good. Oh, what is? What is? Is this the inside of Nora's stomach? Is that what? I'm actually done. I'm actually done. Guys, this channel is cursed by the stomach growl king himself. But man, I hate this. I actually hate this. This is so bad. I actually hate it. I just hate this. I hate it so much. This is like the worst. I hate it. I for real hate it. Anyway, we are going to return. Wait, I remember there might be a YouTuber that does FNAF stomach growl videos. I might react to that. FNAF stomach. Yeah, FNAF baby stomach. Oh yeah, there's even more. There's even more videos. Dude. What is this? videos. There's even more FNAF stomach growl videos. Oh my god. I'm actually gonna cringe a lot. Look at this. Toy Chica and Mango stomach growling. SFM. FNAF Funtime Freddy's upset stomach. Well, that's just Isabella's death. Wobit has a tummy ache. Minecraft FNAF. Circus Baby eats the night guard. Baby toys belly rolling. What is this? Look at Toy Freddy. He actually looks like he wants to die. What is going on with Toy Bonnie's head? It's as big as a bowling ball. Anyway, we're just gonna watch some cringy videos and stuff. I really hate this. This is just cringy. First, we are going to watch SFM Funtime Freddy's upset stomach. Let's watch it, guys. Let's watch it. It's gonna be awesome. Look at this. Oh, perfect intro. What is this? Bonnie with Mario hat? What? He actually looks like he wants to die. Bonnie fan 3000. Oh my gosh, this is giving me a seizure. Oh my god.
Hey guys, Bonnie fan 3000 here. Now, before we start this 5 Nights at Freddy's location SFM, I just want to say that this was based on an art by my friend Katie Wright on DeviantArt. And also, if you're thinking, why would Freddy puke out a dead child? Well, here's the blueprint for proof that there's actually a child inside
the blueprint where it's Funtime Freddy and there's a child inside of his stomach. We already know it. We already know it.
This is just a reminder that
we already know it
involves the FNAF location timeline. But this child in Funtime Freddy is important for you guys to know.
Yeah.
Okay, enjoy the show.
Yeah. Enjoy the... What? Funtime Freddy? What? He actually looks like he wants to die. You can't even see it. It's too bright.
Oh, God, it hurts. It hurts.
What? What is going on? So Funtime Freddy is like, oh, it hurts. Why does it hurt? Oh my god, it hurts so much. Bon, help me. I have a stomach ache because of this child inside my stomach plate. I can't help you. I'm a stupid freaking puppet. I can't even do a single thing. Oh my gosh.
Are you okay?
No. What?
No, I'm fine, Bonnie. I'm just something. That was all.
What Bon?
Drank too much motor oil. Oh, God.
Drink too much motor oil? Oh, that Funtime Freddy. He's gonna puke. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna puke. Just puked on me. Guys, there's a dead child on my body. No. It's just a video.
I think I'm gonna vomit. Wait, what?
What did you puke? What did you puke out? What is going on? Why is Funtime Freddy puking? Oh, puked as a crying child.
Oh, God. What did I just eat? Well, I'm no detective, but it looks like you ate a fucking kid.
Oh, that has cuss words. Oh, that's what looks like I'm gonna watch this. Minecraft FNAF. Wobit has a stomach ache. Let's watch it. But it's just Wobit sitting here on a chair. Look at that chair. Looks like he wants to die. Sitting on a chair. What is Wobit's face though? It's actually green. Why is it green? And yeah, Funtime Foxy's behind Wobit. Okay, let's watch it. It's 21 minutes long. My God.
Hey everyone, awesome!
Oh, never mind. It's just a video. Oh, great, awesome. I love it. Yeah, best video ever. What is this? Never mind. Oh, what is this? Wobit is hungry? What the frick? Oh, never mind. It's made by the same person. Oh, what can we watch? I don't think there's any. Oh, FNAF Baby Side. Of course. Of course. Of course there's nothing. There's just this little Stormite. Growl. There's Stormite. Growl. I don't know it. Growl. Okay, here we go. Now here's all the cringe. What is this? What are these stupid videos? What is this? What is this? What are these? No. What is that? 1 year ago. FNAF SFM. Toy Chica. Fart and stomach growl. What is this? Why? I didn't even watch it. Oh, great. Awesome. I can't even watch it. That's actually good. I'm glad that I can't watch that. I'm actually really happy I can't watch it. It's probably going to be really cringy, you know? Like all the videos. It's always cringy. What is this? What am I actually seeing right now? What is this? Tea and Bomb, 2 years ago. It's plushies like Funtime Foxy, Freddy Fazbear's, and Friends. Episode 52, Mangle Stomach. What? What is this? Mangle is sweeping in a bed. That's not Mangle. Oh, it is Mangle. I'm sorry. I don't think that's Mangle. I think it is. It's probably not Mangle. Oh, yeah, that's got to 100% be Mangle. But I don't really have Mangle. But I do have Funtime Foxy. And to make Funtime Foxy more better, I just drew this on his face. Wait, Funtime Foxy. I want to die. Funtime Foxy. Funtime Foxy. What is? So stupid. What is? What's his fingers? So bootleg.
Foxy, what's wrong?
Foxy, what's wrong?
What makes you think something's wrong?
What is this?
It's a bit weird.
What is? I'm done. Guys, this is going to be a real short video. Well, the other ones were really short. But, yeah, I think I'm going to end this video right here. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And I'm going to go, just kill myself. Because that's what I wanted to do my whole entire life. Yeah. I don't think I can do this anymore. Guys, you know what? I'm actually done. I'm actually cringing right now. I didn't really watch, you know, Hungry Girl Stomach Growl, but it's alright. It's alright. We could probably watch her some other time. Like, probably tomorrow. But yeah, I'm done. This is too cringy for me. So, hopefully you enjoyed. I'm gonna actually go and jump off a cliff right now. I know, but I know these videos are not even real anymore. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.